I'm Beast and welcome to my channel, Samiro. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to play हर घड़ी बदल रही है on piano slash synthesizer slash keyboard. So without further ado, let's hop straight into it. So guys, as you can see, I'm using online piano as I have not done my face reveal yet. So if I post any more tutorials like this, it will be in this mode only. If you want my face reveal, go and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Face reveal is a top for the far. अभी तो मेरे को 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स क्रॉस करने हैं. सो गाइस प्लीज लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करिए. अब जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, दिस इज द पियानो. इस पियानो का लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा, या फिर ये जो वेबसाइट में आपको दिखा रहा हूँ उसी में मैंने ऐड कर देना है. ये वेबसाइट का नहीं पता, पर मैं आपको कमेंट्स में जरूर दूंगा. सो गाइस लेट्स स्टार्ट. तो गाइस पहला नोट है C, B, C, B, C, B, C, E, D, B, A, A, B, A, B, A, B. And it spells like हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी. So I'm going to show you how to, like, what's the coordination of the keys and the hands. So first is C, B, C, together. So guys, the transition, so after the two C's, when you are doing this, so this transition will be very fast. Then you will repeat the same thing again, but this will be another. हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी. The second will be छाव है कहीं की है धूप जिंदगी. So the same. Two times. Now it will come हर पल यहाँ, और so it will be D-A-C-A. D-A-C-A. So now it will be खुल के जियो. खुल के जियो is F-G-A-G. Then again G-A-C-A. It will be सारी उम्र. It will be सारी उम्र. Now कल हो ना हो will be F A sharp A G. So guys, these black keys over here, these are called A sharp, like A sharp, B sharp, C sharp, like that. Guys, you can copy this like how like all the letter notes on your keyboard, piano, synthesizer if you want, or if you like have the coordination in the hand from before, it will be good. Now at the last it is F A sharp A G. So F A sharp is this key. So now I'm going to play the whole song together. So it is you learned and it was easy for you. So guys, this website that I made from myself using Notepad or HTML, I'm going to share its link in the comments, and then please ignore the background noise, and then I'll in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to create websites like this. So now we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care everybody and bye bye. And as I said in the starting, my goal is to hit 100 subscribers. So please help me cross it. Uh, till then,